Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? I hope you are enjoying your spring holidays and online classes. This is our maths work. Today our topic is vertical addition. I have prepared a work page for all of you. As you can see in front of you, this page is open. First of all, you will draw margin lines on this page. You will draw margin lines on your notebook like this, as I have done. Then you will write date, homework and day. On the first line of the page you will write topic, that is vertical addition. Then you will solve all these sums. I'm going to solve first sum in front of you. First question is 3 plus 2. It's mean you will add 3 and 2. Now I am going to solve this question in front of you. You can draw lines or balls according to numbers. As first number is 3, I will draw 3 balls with this number, and second number is 2, I will draw 2 balls with this number. Then I will count them together. So I'm going to draw balls with first number. 1, 2, 3. Look at this class. First number is 3. So I have drawn 3 balls with this number. Second number is 2. So I will draw 2 more balls here. Now I am going to count all these balls all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's mean 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Let's solve one more question. Second question is 3 plus 3. We will draw balls according to given numbers. First number is 3, so we will draw 3 balls with this number. Second number is also 3. We will again draw 3 balls with this number. Then we will count all the balls to get the answer. You can also draw lines with these numbers. So let's start the second question. First number is 3. So I am going to draw 3 balls here. 1, 2, 3. Second number is 3. Again I will draw 3 balls here. 1, 2, 3. Now count them. How many balls are all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's mean 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. Likewise, you will solve all these sums. You can draw balls or lines, whatever you want to draw here, and you will solve all these sums on your notebook. Take care, class. Allah Hafiz.